Stratford. I just had a PCR swab test. Oh my god, so uncomfortable. I had to have it to fly on Sunday. I came here on my bike. Look at my bike. So sexy. It does look like Christmas trees. I just came back from my jeweler's and she got me something, so that's nice of her. And hey, the last video, you know, there was a lot of parts where there's images, for example the image of my ring that I produced and designed. That was supposed to have captions on it. I wrote all of these captions under every one of those images and I used the captions function in Final Cut. Apparently the captions function doesn't really work, so I need to go back and use the titles function. Don't know why the captions don't work, but to be honest I don't have the energy to find out. I just spend so much time battling with technology, it's not fun. I'd rather be creating. So I'm sorry about that, there was no information. I'll put the information in this video. And yes, that was the ring that I have designed and it's now on sale and it's a really beautiful yellow diamond. I'm gonna call a taxi because look what we have over here. Impossible to carry. outside, and I just found out, so I'm like, fuck, what the hell am I doing inside? Where there's no air and you have to have the mask on all the time. This is so much better.